Hello student, today we are going to discuss the third numerical of LMS coagulant. It is one of the most important question as per the GATE exam. Okay. Now question will be given as LM dosage required for raw water is 25 milligram per liter. It means that LM dose is given as 25 milligram per liter. Flow rate, that is discharge, is given as 100 mld. Natural alkalinity present in raw water is given as 6 milligram per liter as calcium bicarbonate. It means that already calcium bicarbonate is present as 6 milligram per liter. Okay. Now we need to determine LM required per year in kg. That is the total LM required per year in kg. After that we will need to solve the total bicarbonate required per year in kg. Okay. When we determine the total bicarbonate required per year in kg, now we need to subtract from this the natural alkalinity that will be present in the water. Okay. Now after subtracting the natural alkalinity from the total bicarbonate, what we will get? We will get the additional bicarbonate required per year in kg. Clear? Now why we required quicklime? For the formation of calcium bicarbonate. So in the fourth parameter we need to find the amount of quicklime required per year in kg. Now we will see how this question proceed. Firstly we will write the given quantities here. Okay, that is the discharge. Discharge will be given as 100 mld. So we just convert it in liter per day. That will be equals to 100 into 10 to the power 6 liter per day. Now LM dose is given. LM dose will be equals to 25 milligram per liter. So we just convert it in kg per liter. It will be equals to 10 to the power minus 6 kg per liter. Clear? Now calcium bicarbonate dose is also given, which will be equals to 6 milligram per liter. So we will also convert that in kg per liter, which will be equal to 6 into 10 to the power minus 6 kg per liter. Okay. Now we will solve one by one each and every point. Now firstly we will calculate the LM dose in kg per year, for which we just need to multiply the LM dose in kg per liter. That will be equals to 25 into 10 to the power minus 6 kg per liter. Okay, with the total discharge, which will be equals to 100 into 10 to the power 6 liter per day. Now from liter to liter cancel out. Now we want to calculate the LM dose on per year basis. So in 1 year there will be 365 days. Now from days to days also cancel out. If you solve all this, that is 25 into 10 to the power minus 6 into 10 to the power 6 into 100 into 365, you will get the value of LM dose on per year basis, which will be equals to 912,500 kg per year. Okay, that will be the total LM dose required in 1 year. Now we want to calculate the next portion, that is the bicarbonate required per year in kg. It means that we need to find the bicarbonate required per year in kg. Okay, now we know that 1 kg of alum 1 kg of alum generally requires 3 into 162 divided by 666 kg of calcium bicarbonate. Now here in 1 year alum dose is 912500 kg per year. So we will just write here as 912500 kg per year alum. It will require 912500 into 3 into 162 divided by 666 kg of calcium bicarbonate. Clear? Now after solving this, that is 912500 into 3 into 162 divided by 666, you will get the answer as 665878 kg. 665878 kg per year of calcium bicarbonate. That will be the total calcium bicarbonate required in 1 year. That is the total calcium bicarbonate required in 1 year in kg. That is 665878 kg per year. Clear? Now we need to find the additional calcium bicarbonate. for which we want to calculate natural alkalinity or natural bicarbonate that will be present in that water. Okay, now we need to calculate the natural alkalinity as calcium bicarbonate. Its dose will be given as 6 milligram per liter. So we want calculation on the per year basis, that is natural alkalinity for 1 year. It will be equals to 6 milligram per liter, and we had converted this in kg per liter, so we just write it in kg. That will be equals to 6 into 10 to the power minus 6 kg per liter by the discharge, that is 100 into 10 to the power 6 liter per day. And for 1 year calculation, we just multiply here 365. From this, liter to liter cancel out, days to days cancel out, and it will be equals to 6 into 10 to the power minus 6 into 100 into 10 to the power 6 into 365. It will be equals to 219,000 kg per year calcium bicarbonate. That will be the natural alkalinity or natural calcium bicarbonate that will be present in that water. Now we want additional calcium bicarbonate. Okay, additional calcium bicarbonate. Now if you want additional calcium bicarbonate, what will we just need to subtract from the total bicarbonate, that is 665878. We need to subtract the natural alkalinity, that is 219,000. What will be the value? It will be equals to 446878 kg per year calcium bicarbonate. This will be the additional calcium bicarbonate which will be required on per year basis in kg. Clear? Now the last one is the amount of quicklime required. Okay, now we know that for 1 mole of calcium bicarbonate we will require 1 mole of quicklime from the mole concept of alum. Okay, now 1 mole of calcium bicarbonate weight is what? 162 gram. Now 162 gram of calcium bicarbonate generally required 56 grams of calcium oxide. Now 1 kg of calcium bicarbonate requires 56 divided by 162 kg calcium oxide. Now how much amount of alkalinity we want to create? 446878. So for 446878 kg of calcium bicarbonate, what will be the amount of quicklime? It will be equals to 446878 into 56 divided by 162. It will be equals to 446878 into 56 divided by 162. It will be equals to 154476 kg per year as CaO. So we had determined the amount of quicklime required per year in kg, and the quicklime is generally required for the production of calcium bicarbonate, and we required only 446878 kg calcium bicarbonate because 219,000 is already present in natural form. Clear? That is the most important numerical as per the GATE exam, and it is the complete solution of this numerical. Okay students, thank you very much.